do's and don'ts are not there. So when the do's and don'ts and all the morality things are not there, actors work best when they are free. And children are born free, so they are the best actors.
Hello and welcome to the first episode of Family Reunion here on X-Ray. Why did you choose this particular premise? Why the switch to web?
This was an idea that was simmering, within ourselves for a while now, about this one character who is, on the surface it looks like a regular government employee, has a family, has all the usual problems that go with it, but his government job is not just another government job, right? He's tasked with the job of saving the country, fighting terrorism. He's an agent, and just because he's doing something that is way bigger than any of us are capable of doing or imagining, doesn't mean that his life suddenly changes. He still has to deal with the same problems of any other middle-class person. That was the core concept behind this premise.
Problems for a middle-class family, along with an espionage idea, became an exciting idea, because otherwise you've seen investigative series or you've seen espionage thrillers and stuff, but the marriage of these two were exciting, and web is the way to go.
And how was it for you to write like kids?
There's a natural flow that it takes. It's easy to imagine how kids react. There's a natural humor creeps in once you get the character of the kids, going. That's why I think Athar, at least the boy, he comes across as one of the funniest characters in the show. Yeah. Dhriti, of course, is a almost teen, or actually a teenager in the show. So she's, growing into something, and I think every parent dreads.
I think the trick we realize in acting with kids is casting them right.
Yeah.
Once you cast, they'll take care of it. Whatever it's given, the way they say it, it comes out naturally anyway.
How was it working with them?
I think Sir had a lot of fun working with the kids because Sir always made fun of Dhriti, the Mehak, the girl who plays Dhriti. I think ये तो ना मतलब ये teenager लग रही है, ये तो 15 साल की लग रही है. नहीं, मैं 15 साल की नहीं हूँ.
Scenes with you and your kids are the best.
This is where my past experiences of working with the kids came very handy. Because when I was doing theatre in Delhi, that was the time when I used to do lot many workshops with the children. What I learned best, which I always use it with all my co-actors who are children, that you stop being their senior. First of all, you just let them know that you are their friend, and you can talk to them about anything. If I may dare to say here, Dhriti talks to me about the most private thing that a girl can talk to, and she knows that this guy is my friend. I can talk to him about anything and everything. And likewise, Atharva is too small, but still Atharva fights with me. And I always made sure that he fights with me and I fight with him. So we kind of created that relationship off the camera, and that is actually it also translates on camera. That has helped me quite a lot as an actor. I personally believe that their children are the best actor in the world. A, they don't have any inhibitions. B, the do's and don'ts are not there. So when the do's and don'ts and all the morality things are not there, actors work best when they are free. And children are born free, so they are the best actors.
There's another particularly fantastic scene which we were a part of, which is the chase sequence in Manori village that we shot for, which is a long sequence.
यार वो पागल हो गया पाशा, एक-एक करके सबको ठोके जा रहे हैं. 2 लोगों को ऑलरेडी मार चुका है.
Khatarnak. It was the first action sequence of my life, so it was very, very amazing and an amazing experience for me.
It was a really nice one-take shot between
एक गली से
these
निकलते
4
हैं, दूसरी गली से
actors,
बाहर
and
आते हैं.
how crisscross and nicely choreographed, and the camera actually goes up also to the terrace. So the whole thing was one take. I think in the edit, finally, we had to take a call to cut it in a place, right?
Yeah, at least the first shot we had to cut it down a little bit because
of time. Otherwise, it was a really
editorial
exciting
reason.
But it was amazing.
What is this magical power of Ma?
I must, congratulate the writers for writing that piece. It was so beautiful and so relatable, actually. So,
The lie, you mean?
yeah, the lie. Yeah. So with mother comes a very strong emotion, you know. And when you talk about mother, you can fool actually anybody in this world. So, and this is what Shrikant. Shrikant is very sharp, you know, quite intelligent. He knows that, you know, the moment Musa talks about mother, this guy is in for grab. You know, you just have to give him a story. So yeah, so whenever Shrikant, you know, starts talking about mother, you can actually feel that, you know, he understands the emotion and he knows how to use it beautifully.
One of his talents is to make up stories on the go.
You guys are in for a complete thrill ride. Stay tuned. We'll see you in episode 2.